baby elephant woke today, ready to dance and laugh and play, wiggling his trunk from side to side with a happy smile and joyful stride. The baby elephant stomped around, moving gently to the jungle sound. Clap, clap, stomp, stomp, sway, dancing happily all day. Colorful butterflies fluttered near, filling the air with joy and cheer. The elephant twirled beneath the sky, watching them float and fly. A friendly monkey joined the dance, swinging around with every chance. Together they laughed and played along, moving to a cheerful song. The baby elephant splashed with delight in a sparkling pond so bright. Water sparkled in the sun, making bath time extra fun. Birds sang songs from every tree, creating a happy melody. The elephant danced to every beat, moving his giant dancing feet. A rainbow stretched across the sky as fluffy white clouds drifted by. The elephant danced beneath the glow, swinging his trunk to and fro. Animal friends came out to play, dancing together all the day, hopping, spinning, having fun underneath the shining sun. Golden sunset filled the land, everything looked bright and grand. The elephant danced one final spin before the evening could begin. Stars appeared with silver